Greetings and salutations, YouTube. It's Hadrian here. Welcome to a new video. How's everyone doing today? Hope you guys are all doing fantastic. I'm here today in the city of Santa Ana at the Goodwill marketplace. Super excited to take you guys in there. But if you guys love thrifting, thrift hauls, and vlogs, don't forget to subscribe with the little bell button to be notified when new videos do go up. And go on Instagram, it's Hadrian. Just like a spell here. Check out my shop at itsHadrian.com to see whatever for sale from my thrifting adventures. And if you guys are watching this on or before Valentine's Day of 2020, I have 25% off my entire shop. Make sure to just message me so I can lower the price for you guys. And yeah, anyway, let's go inside the store and check it out. Oh, all the links are going to be down below as well in the description box. Okay, let's go. Let's head into the computer store first. Looking at the printers. Don't know why, but I'm looking at them. I put a set of Switch remotes on hold for the kids because they broke a pair of them. So yeah, they're only $35 right now. So that was a pretty good price. But now I'm just looking around, see what sort of stuff I can find here. Oh, it's only $10. I was missing a button. Okay, they have like a lot of baskets. We're in the regular store now. These are like great for storage solutions. They're originally $20, now they're down to $10. Target bag, this is Madden, more Target stuff. Giant unicorn. It's so cute. There's some fun baskets up here too. I kind of like that little leather detail. Little leather. Toys. Oh, this art is pretty nice. The 3 different leaves, Target 3-pack. Stash. This is a little Ray-Dan piece for $1.99. It's missing the lid though. Oh, this is like a cute little container. Man, the store's a little bare today. Usually you see this place like super full of stuff. Kind of tempted to buy this set of 4 little planters for $5. Actually, a set of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 6. Ooh, that's a good deal. I just found this like goblet looking thing, but there's like a couple little breaks in the top, but these are baccarat. I think I saw another one somewhere else, so I'm gonna check it. But I love like how statuesque it looks. I think it was over here. Is this where I saw it? Is it my imagination? These are the Scott's Weasel glasses I just found. There's a set of 6 for $60 at Pottery Barn, so about $10 a glass. 99 cents. But I only see 2 so far. Like this looks like the Scarlet Letter A from the cover of the Scarlet Letter book that I had in high school. It's like cracking me up. I'm like, oh my gosh. This is like literally the Scarlet Letter. Anyway, I'm like going blind trying to find some of those Scott Wiesel or Baccarat crystal glasses. No more. So they had like 2 Scott Wiesel, and then they had that one cracked Baccarat crystal, so yeah, sad times. Oh, look at these plates. Oh, they're Pottery Barn PB Gold? They need PB Gold plates? How many are there? Don't tell me there's only a few. Oh, there's only 3. How much are these each? They're not even labeled. It's a 4-piece set. Where's the 4th plate? That's not it. Wow, looks like someone just stole the 4th piece. I'm a little shook at these plates. I really like them. But then again, there's only 3. There could have been 4. But I'm still trying to put together that table setting that I told you guys about before. These would have been really good. Guys, I'm crying because I just found another 4-piece set. I think I'm just gonna get like 7 pieces. That is totally okay by me. Where'd I put the other 3? Okay. I was looking for a shopping cart, didn't find any, so I'm carrying these plates with me as I'm walking around the store. No biggie, they're just really heavy, but we're gonna make do. But I'm so excited how lucky am I to find 7 of these plates. I'm just gonna find one that like kind of like looks similar, which actually shouldn't be too hard. Look at this blue and white vase. Oh, look at that blue and white vase. These are cute. Okay, this one's $14.99, and I think it retailed for like $28 because I can see the sticker on the bottom. So they're just a little pricey. So I'm gonna leave those. Even though that one is really cute. I like the little elephants. I like the little dangly things on the sides, but that's okay. This little tray is so cute too. It's like a little mirror stand tray thing. And also this unicorn. Love unicorn. Just found a 4-piece set of these Lily Pulitzer napkins. Hoping I can find another one in here somewhere because it'd be really fun to have a set of 4 or a set of 8. Ooh, I think I just did. Kind of digging this crushed pink velvet pillow with little pom-poms, and then there's this like faux fur one. Very cool. Look at that combo. Even with this burnt orange pillow. This Mrs. Kate Spade cup. I just found this awesome plant stand too, which I'm totally gonna get, and it's working out to hold my plate, so pretty excited. Hey guys, just got everything inside the car. Let's go home. I'll show you guys what I got. Hey guys, we are back at the house, and I'm super duper excited to share with you guys what we ended up getting today. So, oh, also don't forget, 25% off your entire purchase, itsHadrian.com. Make sure to message me first so I can adjust the price for you guys in the shop. But 25% off your entire purchase for Valentine's Day. The sale ends Valentine's Day of 2020, so February 14th, 2020 is the end of the sale. But, okay, so today we went to one of my favorite places. I try to go there at least, I pretty much only get to go once a week. But once a week nonetheless. So, the first place we went to was the Goodwill Computer Works store. Love that place so much. I was hoping to find like another computer or something, but unfortunately that did not happen. But I did find these new remotes for the kids for the Nintendo Switch. They're missing the little rubber buttons on there, but they actually broke their remotes that look exactly like this. I don't know what happened, but the remotes broke, so they can just switch the buttons over to these, and it'll be totally fine. Yeah, so that's exciting. Super duper fun. I love that these pop up every so often at the Goodwill, because the kids are always breaking their remotes and they're so expensive. And I don't know what, like, these remotes nowadays, I feel like in the past, our remotes were like indestructible, and now it's like you drop them like a foot off the floor and they're like broken. So it's crazy, but I mean, it is what it is. So these were $35. I believe these retail for like $75 or something of that nature. There we go. Okay. Nintendo Switch remotes. So then, like in my head, like I'm planning like a dinner party at like, or actually not a dinner party. I'm thinking more of like a brunch, a lunch, like a brunch lunch, you know? And Mom sent me like some inspiration photos of what she really wanted, like a spring tablescape to be at the house, and I want to make this happen for her. So her inspiration was like a photo. I think it was either from Williams Sonoma or Pottery Barn. But I don't know if you guys are familiar with, there's like a Monique Lhuillier collection. I think it's Williams Sonoma, or I don't know which one it is. But she has dinnerware, and there's like a table set up that was really pretty, and it was like white and rose gold and pink. And I kind of like want to do something like use that as an inspiration, jumping off point, and try to do something very similar. And I don't know if I'm going to even be using these, but I just thought these would be super fun regardless for spring, because we only have our white linen table napkins, but now we have these super fun printed Lily Pulitzer. Is that how you say her name? Lily Pulitzer, right? Lily Pulitzer napkins. They're fun. They have little pom-poms on the end. They have different patterns. I have a set of 8, so that totally works. I was really, I was adamant about not getting them unless I found a second set, because I found one at first, and I was like, I hope there's a second set, because I don't want to just buy one and like not have another one. So, luckily enough, I saw another like set, and it was kind of just like haphazardly thrown kind of like onto the side of a display thing. So that was very exciting. These were $4.99 each. So Lily Pulitzer for Target. Yes. Loving it. These are so fun. Like these, even if you did like all white plates and then you had these napkins would just definitely be like, bam, you know? It's like you're wearing like a basic outfit, like neutrals, nothing too crazy, and then you have like a fantastic handbag. It's like, this is your handbag, like this napkin. So it's like, napkins are like the handbags of your, oh my gosh, did I just make it? Napkins are the handbags of your like table setting? Is that a thing? I think we're gonna make that a thing. I don't know. Am I going crazy? I feel like I'm like a little hyper because it's like really late already and I'm filming all these haul videos. But, okay, up next, I actually got 7 of these plates. So, there's one complete set of 4, which they like tied up together, set of 4, $4.99. Ooh, so cold. And then, they had an incomplete set. Oh yeah, I was holding 5, but 4 of them were connected. And now I'm only holding 2, but there are 3. Anyway, I'm just gonna set these here, they're pretty heavy. So I found, this is totally gonna look fantastic. And I know they look super blown out right now because of the light, but I found these beautiful gold rimmed Pottery Barn plates. Do not microwave and not dishwasher safe. Well, there you go. That makes my life a little more difficult, but it's okay. I just love the dishwasher, but you know, I'll do anything for a good place setting. But these are Pottery Barn. They're called PB Gold. Beautiful. I guess these are like, I think this is white porcelain, and then it's rimmed in gold. They're beautiful. They're made in Japan. I love them. I wish there were 8. There were only 7, but we're gonna make it work. I'm just gonna have to find one additional plate that kind of had, like, I find plates like this all the time, and I'll just have to pick one up that looks similar to this. But I just really love it. I love the quality of Pottery Barn plates. I worked for the company for years, and I just love like their stuff. So that's what I'm most familiar with. And I'm familiar with like a lot of like different like home decor brands, but like of course Pottery Barn and all of like the family of the Pottery Barn company, like I love their stuff so much. So whenever I'm at the thrift store, I almost always pick up a white dinnerware, especially like Pottery Barn or Williams Sonoma, West Elm. I rarely ever find West Elm dinner plates. I never see them plain. It's always like something with like a design, and if they're fun and whimsical and there's enough to make a fun setting, I'll usually pick those up as well. But these, and this whole day I was talking about finding plates, and I cannot believe that we made it happen. We found 7 plates, and I am over the moon. I'm so excited. Now I have to set these down because I have to show you one last thing. So, I was really excited to find this because I was walking to the end of the line because the line was super duper long. so many people come to the store. Literally, the line was to the back of the store. Luckily, at the very back of the store, someone just left this haphazardly sitting against the wall. And I was like, this is really cute. And it is this beautiful, I believe this is mango wood. I actually don't know what kind of wood this is. But it's a wood and then metal stand. And this is a plant stand. You can just put your plant on here. It'll look fantastic. I love it. I am living for it. This is fantastic. You can I was also thinking, like, I had my plates on here. This would be really cute to put plates on. So if we were having like some sort of like buffet or some, everything I think about is like centered around like family gatherings and food and like ways to like elevate everything. I don't know. That's just me. But yeah, so many uses for this. So you can use this definitely for plants, but you could also use this to like elevate food, elevate your plates. We actually have like a little kids table that, like, if you guys watch my vlogs, like the kids have their own little table that's like at the end of the island, and it's pretty low. But if we used it as kind of like the station to like pick up your utensils or whatever for the party, this would be like the perfect height to put this on there, and then you can put the plates on it, people can grab their plate and then go get their food and then sit down to the table. So that would be pretty cool. I never thought of that, and this was $10, which I think is not bad. Smith & Hawkins stuff is always so expensive. So very excited about this. I think it's really pretty. Really excited about my plates. They're bringing me all the happiness, all the life. And also look how pretty these plates are with the napkins. Like, isn't that gorgeous? Love it. Okay. Well, that is going to end today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love taking you guys to that store. Let me know if you guys have had anything really cool recently, because I always love to hear about your finds as well. Let me know what your, like, the coolest thing you found in the month of February has been so far. I know the month that just started, but I am turning up all these goodies and I'm so super excited for what you guys have found. Let me know, inspire me, so I can in turn inspire you guys as well. If you guys post anything on Instagram, please tag me so I can share it with the rest of the Thrift Squad. And yeah, that's the end of the video. Don't forget to check out tomorrow's new video. At 7 a.m. the new vlog will go up at 2 p.m. And I'll see you guys then. Love you guys immensely. Bye! How whimsical are these? They're just a little bit dark for me though. Like in color. This is very similar to the place I just bought earlier today too. But no, I'm looking for like a really pretty pink accent plate, preferably like a salad. Oh, these are cool. 222 Thrift, they always make like really pretty design things. But there's only 2 of them.